Hermès all.
Oops, I did it again.
Shopaholic strikes again. Oopsies. Oh my god, you guys. Hermès, Paris, haul.
Oops, I did it again.
Okay, everything I got in Paris, my last 2-day shopping spree trip. 2 days in Paris. 3 bags, 1 quota, 1 airport quota, 1 non-quota. 3.5 bags, 3.5 accessories, 1 quota, 2 quota adjacent, 1.5 quota adjacents, 1 non-quota, 0.5 accessory, 2 other accessories, and then 2 more, so 4 accessories. Whatever, you don't care. Okay, we're gonna do an unboxing real quick, super quick, Hermès haul, story, everything really quick, okay? I got another quota bag. Oh my god. You guys, I feel so lucky. I feel so grateful. I feel so blessed. I'm so happy. And I'm literally going back to Paris next week. I'm literally going back to Paris again and again. I have 2 more Paris trips coming. But I'm not gonna jinx those. I don't even think I'm gonna ask for an appointment. I don't think. Okay, anyway, okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, shopaholique, and today we're doing a quick Hermès Paris unboxing haul and story, but mostly haul. Super quick for my 2-day Paris shopping trip. 2 bags from Paris, 1 from the airport, 1.5 bag from Hermes.com, 2 accessories from Hermes.com, 2 more accessories from the airport. Okay? So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. I'll try to keep it short and sweet. I'm trying to keep these short and sweet and get them out to you guys. So first thing, Twillies, they're already on. I got 2 Twillies from the airport. I went to the airport to ask for a bag to my SA that I normally go to at the airport. They didn't have any bags, so I went to go, I wanted to still go and say hi, so I went to go shop for other things. I said I wanted to look at a few other things, texted them the list of things I wanted, and one of the things was Twillies, because I wanted to get a new Twilly for my bag that I got Paris, but I didn't have time to go to get Twillies for it. They didn't have a Twilly that it wanted that matched, but I got a Twilly that was kind of universal, or at least will work on one of my other bags, and one of my other bags will work on 2 on my other bags, I thought, and it can kind of work on this one too, which I put it on. So I got 2 of them. One is on my Mini Kelly, way over there. Hold on. This is the Twilly on my Mini Kelly, but I actually don't really love it on the Mini Kelly. It's in a taupe, black, and gold, so it like literally matches all of the house color bags. So I thought it would be cute. I'm gonna take it off because I don't really like it on here, and I'm gonna put it on a different bag. 1 second. Anyway, so those are those, okay? Those are those 2. Then, from Hermes.com, 2 more horsey charms, obviously. Rodeo in all black, which again, can go here, or on anything else because it's black on black.
The So Black collection, which
I've never been able to get anywhere else, so I got them on Hermes.com, which there were actually a lot of them, but I didn't know the limit is you can only order 2, so I got the 2 that I could get, and then there were still more on the website, and I ordered them like a week before I went, and then they were available like a few days before I got there, and then I could just pick them in the store. I picked them up on the last day after I bought everything else. The other thing I bought from Hermes.com was this, and if you guys want more on Hermes.com, let me know, I'll do a separate video, but I've done a bunch of them, but this was a thing that I also bought. It's on the website, there were a bunch available, I posted a video about it, and I was like, oh, let me just try to get one. Way cheaper than in the US, and this is the 0.5 bag / 0.5 accessory because it's kind of like both. And you add a strap to it, like a bag. It's the Constant Slim wallet, which is a little belt bag / the other one. I have one of these already in Brie. I don't use it. I put it in my other bags for a little bit, but then I stopped. But this, I think, is a lot easier and nicer, and I can put it on the outside of the bag, and I can use this as a little black bag with a black strap. It's so cute. And it was on the website, and I was like, oh, might as well get it. Because I didn't know I was going in to get other things. I didn't know I was going to get other things. But I got other things. This was in my appointment. This was the second bag in my appointment. I had asked for a Barania Faubourg Ebene Kelly or a box Kelly. They weren't able to bring me out either of those things, unfortunately. They didn't have any Barania Faubourg Ebene. They had Barania Faubourg in another color, and the box ones were all actually one of the other essays that I know as well had taken all of them for another, not all of them, but all the ones that seemed for my specs and showing them to another customer across the way. So she was looking at them, and then she picked the one that I would have wanted to look at. So anyway, but they did bring me out an Ebene picotin, which is what I had asked for. I wanted a picotin, and I said whatever color, but they brought me out a picotin and a bean, and they also brought me out this bag, and I ended up going with this bag. This bag is the newest little most coveted bag they just launched. Loose little munchkin, really hard to get. They're one of 2 newest munchkins. It's a smaller version of a regular bag. I mean, whatever. There's the Garden Party Mini and the Her Bag Mini, okay? So this is the Her Bag Mini. It's not in like the most ideal color, but apparently this is the hottest bag. You can't get it, you can't ask for it, it's impossible to get, and it was more affordable than I'm sure it was in the US. It was like a pretty good price for a Hermes bag. And my essay was like, you have to take this. There's just like literally one in the store, and this is like one of the hardest bags right now, the most coveted. It's brand new, and it's like, why not? Like, why not go to a little fun? Like I said, I don't love the color, but I think it's nice for every day, and it's casual, and it fits so much more than the Mini Kelly. It's the Hermes.
The Hermes Mini.
In canvas and Vash Hunter leather and military canvas. It's like very durable and more great for every day, and it'll fit a lot more, I think, than this. I mean, this could literally fit into this. And it's just so cute and small. It's like serves the same function, but like a more casual, practical, everyday version of this. Make sense? This is kind of the same color my Gypsy Air, actually. No, it's not. But anyway, so this is what I got for bag min. Chef's kiss. Again, don't love the color, but I'll use it for now. And then when the right color comes along, which is I want like ardoise with gold hardware, then I will get that. And maybe, you know, repurpose that one. Okay, these last two, they're both kind of quote. Well, this is a quota. One's a quota bag and one's a quota bag adjacent bag, but they're both Kellys.
Kelly family.
One Kelly and one Kelly family. One was from the airport. This one was from the airport, so we're gonna do that one first. This was something I didn't even know I wanted or didn't even think I was gonna, like, I just went in, like I said, and I was shopping for other things. I guess they brought this out, and I guess this is a also very coveted, hard to get bag, and it doesn't always, it's like almost a quota bag, you know, and like you can't just walk in and get it, and you have to wait, wish listed, and it will count kind of as your quota bag if you get it, and it will count as your very exceptional piece or whatever, and so that's your bag for your appointment in Paris, or in the US it'll just be your, like, you know, whatever. Anyway, it's a Kelly bag. So I saw it, I didn't know I wanted it, I saw it, I loved it. I was like, oh, this is my new fave, actually, out of all. I mean, that one is also my new fave. These are my new faves, but they're my babies, obviously, and my Mini. All I knew was my new faves. And, well, no, they're all my faves. Never mind, they're all my faves. But I really like this because I feel like I can use this every day as a, like, work / air, like, just a daily bag. It's got the size and capacity and shape of a Birkin, but the strap and closure of a Kelly. So I feel like it's a crossbody, everyday, easy bag, palladium hardware. It's a men's bag. It's the men's Kelly Messenger, which I didn't even know I wanted. They just launched this bag, I think, in 2023, so it's a pretty new bag, and I guess it's very coveted. Comes with a crossbody strap that comes with like all these different settings, and then it's got the Kelly closure, big. It's got 2 pockets on either side. Your phone can fit, and then it's got flat pocket and a zip pocket like a Birkin would, and like a smaller Kelly. The bigger Kellys have 2 pockets in the front, and I love it. It's so great. It's in black with palladium hardware. Like what? Like I said, I didn't even expect for it, and my essay brought it out. I was like, oh, I have to take this, so I did. And the last one, I feel like I might have already unboxed this. Anyway, so short story, I asked for 25 or 28. I got a surprise appointment, I asked for 25 or 28, and I wanted Birkin Fauve in a bean or box. Box was out of the question. They brought out 3 25 and I wanted Retourne because I wanted a daily, everyday bag. It was a little more casual, and I wanted a 28 more than 25, but I said 25 too because the 25 Retourne is bigger than the 25 Cellier, and I don't have a 25 Retourne. And 25 or 28 are the two, you know, ties that I want. I have a 32 from Sotheby's that I never used, that I got, but now I feel like it's tainted because that I got before I got anything else, and that wasn't from the store, and now I just feel like about it. So I ended up giving it back to Sotheby's. So I do want a 32 at some point, but I wanted a 28 or a 32 really. I wanted to get something more for every day, and I love the size 30, so I thought. So I ended up going with the 28 that I did bring out, which was in Birkin Fauve, but not in a bean. And Birkin Fauve only comes in 2 colors, and it's one of the rarer bags that they make because the leather is a heritage leather, and only 3% of the bags are made in a Birkin Fauve. Who knew? So I feel like it's special and rare, and it smells so good, and it's gonna be my everyday bag. I'm obsessed. It already has the strap on. It has the twilly on it, and gold hardware. All the other ones are palladium. Here he is, my newest little Kelly 28 in Birkin Fauve in the color Fauve. It gets this patina over time. It's going to show wear. It's going to be like, it's going to be my Mary Kate bag. This is my MK Kelly. My little MK Kelly. I'm so excited. I'm so obsessed. I'm in love. What do you guys think? It smells so good. Okay. I'm so happy. Are you happy? I'm happy. I'm taking all of these with me. Not all. I'm taking a lot of these with me because I'm traveling for the next couple months. So hopefully I'll be able to still post while I'm traveling, but I'm going to like places that I might even not have internet. I know. So we'll see. I'm going to try to post as much as I can. This is my little check-in too. Anyway, yeah, okay. So I'm going to take them with me. And when I bring them back, they're going to be worn in. Okay, that's all I got. I love you guys so much. Thank you for everything. Please let me know if you have questions in the comments below. And I will reply to all your comments. It's been a while, I know. I gotta catch up. Maybe I'll do that while I'm abroad. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your amigos. Because I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. And I'll see you in the next one. Baby. Bye.